we have seen the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All of these amazing devices have come out in 2020, and now Samsung has given us yet again another reason to visit the unboxing table. We have with us today the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G FE. Now you're thinking, what does FE stand for? And I've done a little bit of research. I've researched the searches, and this is what I've come up with. It's been said that it's called the Fan Edition. Maybe, or for everyone. Apologize in advance, raspy voice. I probably did more talking last night than I have in all year, mainly because people came over to the house and we had a little social distance safe get together, and there was a lot of talking. So apologize, raspy voice. Getting into the box right now. Breaking the seal. So this is the unlocked version. The price tag on this was pretty phenomenal to begin with. There seems to be a singular weird piece of paper. Quick start guides, nothing new there. SIM ejector tool. These colors are kind of a big deal, right? Like Samsung wanted us to know they're making this phone fun. They're making it for everyone. There's options. So I saw this color and I knew it was different, new, unique, and I had to have it. There it is. There is a pre-installed film, which almost feels like it's made to come right off because there's a little tab right there. We've got a little fast charger, so thank you Samsung. And we have a white USB to USB-C. So this is disappointing, and this is I don't even know what to say right now, Samsung. But it looks amazing. It just, they say it's plastic, and it is. You can feel. There's definitely a little bit of some smudging going on. Not a whole lot like on glass, but there's definitely some smudging. It's really light. The screen is gorgeous. I'm gonna turn it on. This thing has got the same triple camera setup that you find on the S20. So you're not sacrificing anything. I'm gonna do a quick, dirty setup on this.
Eventually.
So here it is. It's a gorgeous display, wonderful background. The color on it is phenomenal. This is the kind of device that makes you want to go places and do stuff. 4,500 milliamp battery, crazy triple camera setup. Let's get that camera going right now, and let's do it. Quick little test drive on the camera. It felt good. It was snappy, it was responsive. I did not have any overly aggressive autofocus issues that make me think that this is going to be plagued by the same issues and problems on the S20 Ultra 5G. So that really makes me happy. What we have here on the camera, we've got a 12, 12, and an 8, and then we've got a 32 megapixel on the front, which is pretty good for a mid-range device. Wouldn't call it budget. I think for a budget phone, you gotta be in the $499 area and under, but this is definitely a mid-range. It's not a flagship, even though it is packed with flagship features. At this price, this is gonna be a great device. So I'm gonna take it for a quick little test spin, and we're gonna see how we feel about it.
The next day.
Now that I have the chance to actually go through the day with the Samsung Galaxy FE and actually use this device as not quite my mainly daily driver, but I definitely had a SIM in it and I used it as much as I could. It was snappy, it was fast, it was efficient. I didn't feel like there was any notable deficiencies. It is literally a rock solid device. Samsung, triple lens, 120 hertz display, 4,500 milliamp battery with the most up-to-date Snapdragon that they can shove in there, with keeping it at a $699 price. And Best Buy right now, it's at $599. Where is this device that I'm talking about? Phone Soap Pro. That's right, it's in my Phone Soap Pro, because after I come home after using this thing all day, I go ahead and I put it in the Phone Soap Pro. It disinfects, cleans, and just gets all the dirty, icky mist from the day that could potentially make me sick, ill, spreading disease and germs all around me. It gets it off the phone with these extra powerful UV lights. Link in the description, Phone Soap Pro, 10% off. That discount code is only good until the end of the year. So if you want to save 10%, Phone Soap Pro, everybody wants one. They're in stock right now. Go get yourself one. Enough of that stuff. This is an amazing device. Everyone that looked at it, everybody that touched it, they had a comment. They had something nice, something pleasant to say. And then they all want to know, how much does that thing cost? And just about everyone was completely blown away when I told them that I paid $249. I mainly told them that for shock value, because really I used all my discounts and coupons and 10% off for my birthday and all that other stuff at Best Buy, and I got it for $249. So that's kind of exception rather than the rule. At the time of this video that I'm publishing this device is $599 at Best Buy. Go ahead and get yourself one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Tell me what you think. Is this worth $699? Is it definitely worth $599? Let's have a discussion. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.